She is well known for showcasing her flawless form on runways and on social media alike. And on Wednesday, Olivia Culpo gave her nearly 5 million Instagram followers a close look at her toned physique with a video that was shared to her account. The 29-year-old influencer was first seen showing off various articles of underwear before changing into a seriously stylish outfit at the end of the clip. Culpo was first seen wearing a blue-green lace bra that left little to the imagination of her followers. The model was also spotted pulling up a matching lace bottom in a shot that prominently displayed her toned tummy. The former Miss Universe also sported a set of patterned leggings that clung tightly to her sculpted legs. She then donned a stylish button-up dress that obscured much of her chiseled form. Culpo also inserted a set of gold hair clips into her gorgeous brunette locks, which fell onto her shoulders and backside. The fashion industry figure rocked a fashionable pair of white high-heeled shoes that matched the dominant tone of her outfit. The influencer added an element of color to her clothing with a small brown purse that perfectly contrasted the lighter shade of her dress. She also added a little bit of shine to her outfit with a set of sparkling gold earrings. Culpo previously spoke about her interest in fashion and cosmetics during an interview with Insider, where she recalled experimenting with her mother's beauty products as a young girl. "I started by just rummaging through the medicine cabinets in our house and my mom's vanity. I remember I would just use Vaseline or baby oil, and put it on my eyes for a little sheen," she said. The fashion industry personality went on to speak about using social media to look for classic approaches to cosmetics. "I love looking up old makeup trends, and that's honestly where I find a great amount of my inspiration," she stated. Culpo did point out that she toned back her usage of cosmetics during her period of quarantine in favor of nurturing her skin. "I found myself wearing a little less makeup when we were really locked down, and I've been trying to find new ways to help my skincare routine," she said.